It is very windy. Andy's not done the drone, but I'll just show you where we are. I mean, it was very, very windy last night. But it's just so beautiful where we are. We're not far from Castle Douglas, if I'm honest. It's the other castle, Caerlaverock, I think it's called. I don't know if I've got it right. There's all birds there flying. All on the... It's kind of, well, it's the coast, but it's where it comes in, really narrow. It is cold, I've got to say. I mean, the weather's not been good. It's been hit and miss with the rain and wind. So, Andy's not got much drone out. But it is beautiful. I just can't feel my fingers. I mean, we are gonna head to Ben Nevis. I don't know when we're gonna be there next week. It's gonna be cold. It is freezing now. So I'm gonna go and drink my coffee, and let me show you Andy. There he is, preparing. He's preparing. Peanut's probably waiting for me. Here's Peanut. Oh, it is absolutely cold. Oh. And the best thing when you're cold is you have a Dublin coffee. Oh. Peanut's having a madam with his teddy. He's having a madam with his teddy this morning. So yes, it's been very, very nice. I'm sorry if I look like shit. I've literally just woke up, not even had a drink yet. Indoors has just made me one. My one coffee of the day, I must add. And Peanut's the telly's caught his eye. So yes, got to drink my coffee. I've got to get ready. We actually going to a campsite today. We're going to charge everything up, electric wise. I'm going to try their show for a change instead of ours, which makes it easy for me. I haven't got to empty everything out. So
we're trying to go to a castle first, but if the weather carries on,
you can hold it.
If the weather carries on like this, that might be a fail, but we're going to try.
We've had a message off Insta, haven't we, about our camera?
Yes.
I don't know what they've said, but we're hoping, because this we originally bought 2 years ago, but after we brought it, the camera went funny then, didn't it? Mm-hmm. Now, to be honest, I can't remember how much we paid for this, £500 and something. I can't remember.
If it was that much.
Yeah, I think it was £500 or something. It hadn't long come out. And I think about 6 months after we had it, it started getting funny. The screen at the back, it was all lines on it. And they sent us a replacement there. I mean, they was very nice about it, wasn't they? They no questions, they sent one straight out. But it appears to be having the same thing again, which is not very good if it's, it's not even that old, is it, really? So, anyway, I'm going to drink my coffee. We'll pick it up here on the road, so we'll see you soon. So, doodle peep.
I've had to continue because the Insta's either lost power or it's...
No, there's something wrong. There's something wrong with it. And now the weird thing is, we first had the Insta 360. It hadn't long come out, had it?
No.
and we brought it,
And the screen went.
and something happened to it. Now that is a replacement, and the same thing's happened again. The screen, it just went weird, and then it's gone all flashing, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So there's definitely something wrong with the. I mean, we've got the GoPro too as well.
We've got the GoPro, and we also got the
This,
what you're using now.
The
So
Osmo.
anyway, the view she was showing you, you'll see it now when I'm done.
Yeah. That's quite bizarre. I don't know how much we've recorded anyway.
It was up to the point where you picked it up and went over there. I think it still records.
Yeah.
Just no preview, the screen at the back.
Is it insured for so long, or?
Well, how long we've had it?
I don't know.
Anyway, that's a conversation.
We're going to have a look into that.
Yes.
I think, if I remember right, I'm sure we had that from Amazon. So I shall be contacting him.
Yes.
So, okay then. So hopefully you would have seen the drone footage by now of where we are. And you're laughing at?
Oh, it's what I said. Yeah, I've got a tripod on that.
It's probably with two. Oh, shit. That looks too black. This is all wobbly now. What's going on?
Come here.
Look.
Are you Lisa? Have I taught you how to do things? If it's loose.
Okay.
Alright. And then that can go up and that can go down.
Okay.
Right.
Well, it's right there. I could see my belly button then.
So if we're too low, then push it up. Push the button a few times.
Oh God! I'll tell you that. I think the Scotland Fair's gone to my head.
She's like, honestly, in some ways, she's like a 90-year-old woman. You tell her, you show her something, and I don't know whether she doesn't listen because she's not interested, or she don't listen because she doesn't understand.
No, I don't need to understand, Andy.
Well, obviously you do.
I don't.
Obviously you do.
Shh. Anyway, we're going to go. And what film are we going to watch, And?
We're watching Braveheart.
Yes.
I know it's a bit of a cliche, but...
Yeah, we've already seen it, but it just seems that you've got to watch it.
I've seen it about 4 times, but yeah.
Well, I've seen it once, and it is quite sad. Poor man.
Yeah. We have got the doors locked.
Yeah. It's a bit random. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's no houses near. And some man was walking down with a suitcase. He could have had a body in there, you know.
Well,
it's a big case.
I'm not going to get into the illegal immigrant sort of thing.
No.
But he was definitely foreign, and he had a suitcase, and he's just walking down the road with a big suitcase.
It could be somebody with a dead body. It's a big case.
Well, why a dead body? Why couldn't it could be a dead sheep?
Why would you have a bloody dead sheep?
Well, why would you have a dead body? I don't know. It could be. No, call me crazy. It could be clothes in it.
It's in the middle of nowhere.
Well, I don't know.
I mean, the things we see some weird things we do.
I mean, the thing is, that reminds me of sheep. That's why I said sheep. Could have been a cow, but then a cow won't fit in that suitcase.
Wow.
A bit of a cow could.
Oh, they've ate the fish and chips. The couple next in the car.
Why have they gone?
I can hear the car. Do you think that's like a man and his crumpet?
I don't know, but they're eating fish and chips, so I'd like to know where the fish and chip shop is.
Well, look, they're going there. What a nosy pair of shits.
Mm-hmm.
Are they reversing out?
No.
They are. That could have been a man and his crumpet, couldn't he?
They were quite elderly.
Was I?
Yeah.
Well, they still could have a crumpet at elderly.
An elderly crumpet, yeah.
Some people at older ones are dirty sods.
They could, yeah.
Anyway.
Shall we end this here? Because you've got to get some chicken burgers on. Before you break something else.
Bloody I'm going to get on to Amazon, actually. I'm going to say, we're in Scotland and my camera's broke. You shits. Give me a new one. Right then, we're going to go because we're going to go watch a film and Andy's going to cook some dinner. So we'll see you tomorrow. We'll let you know what kind of night we've had.
Yes.
So, toodle peep.